Well, kung gusto niyang gawin yun, it's up to her, no? If that is what she wants to do. Oo. Pero mas palagay ko, mas maganda kung makakatulong siya sa kanyang kapatid sa development ng bansa natin. When we were investigating the Vice President's Committee on Good Government, nakita namin mayroong problema. You know, we're not against, we will not in any way hinder the COA to be the one to audit. Yung gawain nila eh. Pero gawain din natin, imbestigahan natin ang nangyari. Alright. Bakit pa nagkaroon ng oversight committee ng Kongreso if we could not be able to investigate? The fact is this, no? We have an oversight committee. Why? Because the Congress has the power of the purse. Kami ang nagbibigay ng budget. Kami nag-approve ng budget on our part. Dapat lamang na gawin namin ang tungkulin namin. Kung ito the mandate given to us by the people.